Okay, great. Hi, everyone. My name is Prem, founder and CEO of Eazy Digital. I'm assuming this button is the one I press to move to the next slide, and I'm wrong. What do I do to move to the next slide? There you go. So really quickly, what we do is we're an agency management platform for insurance companies. We're trying to be the Salesforce in the insurance industry. Platforms that AIA and Prudential and some large insurance companies have built for themselves. We've essentially mimicked that, made it into a SaaS platform, and sell it to all the other insurance companies that can't afford the $10, $20 million bills that platforms like this cost. All right. Our platform is designed to help insurance companies distribute better through agency and digital forces. We've got our ISO certification. We've got our SOC 2 certification. So we're a globally recognized platform. And we've built this for the past 2 years with our experience and my experience in insurance, essentially. What we try to do with insurance agents specifically is help them increase their sales through agents. So very quickly, 3 things that we try to focus on: increasing leads. How do we help increasing leads through agents? We give them a tool to market themselves better digitally. We help them generate better credibility with their customers, and we provide lead generation platform for them as well. Second thing we try to do is help convert those leads better. I'll be able to show you a demo after this as well. And last but not least, we try to increase agency activity through our gamification on the platform as well. So currently, we're working with a few companies already. We've got a lot more in the pipeline, and we're actually working with them globally. So we've started off in Thailand, and now we spread through the Middle East. So we've got opportunities in Africa, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, and so on and so forth. So how we connect with insurance companies is very simple. You've got your basic platforms of the insurance companies, whatever you guys use, on the left-hand side here. What we try to provide is everything on the right-hand side. So we work with integrating core systems such as eBow, ZA Tech, Insurmo, IXT, Sapiens, whatever core systems you might have in the back end. We integrate with that, and then we provide the functionalities on the right-hand side. And we also provide access to those functionalities to our own front end or through APIs if you don't want to use our front end. And the platform's functionalities are all there. You can read about it later. I'm more interested in showing you the demo. This is a more elaborate version of that slide. You can see all the various systems you guys use here as an insurance company. We try to get all of the data that we need to run the modules that we have. And one of the core things that we actually provide as well is once you've integrated with us, it actually enables you to integrate with other parties and other systems as well. So we actually have partner modules for things that we don't want to build ourselves. So we've got modules that we've done, such as request and workflow management, agent profiles, billing and credit, commission management, reporting and dashboards, so on and so forth. But we've got partner modules that we connect with. So, payment gateways, AI sales generator, eKYC, analytics, e-training, or any other platform. So this is a shout out to anyone who wants to partner with us as well. Feel free to reach out to me at the booth there. Okay, the juicy stuff, the actual demo. So what does it look like for an agent who's actually using our platform? I hope it works. There you go. So this is a, POC that we did with one of the insurance companies. We got the permission to use it. So this is what the agent gets to see when they log into our platform. The first thing they do. They come in, again, this is a live screen capture, so everything you're seeing here is essentially like me doing it live. The first thing that they get to see is their dashboard. Everything is mobile first, so this is a completely responsive platform. You can shrink it, you can expand it to whatever tablet, whatever device you're using. You can see all of it on there. You can manage your team's performance. You can see your sales performance on the dot. And as an agent, we understand that there are multiple levels of agents you might be managing, so we can handle up to 7 levels. So you can manage your team and see their performances as well. The second part of it is the platform's profile page and profile management system. So we want to allow agents to feel like this platform belongs to them. And that's the key part of it. So agents can actually manage their entire platform and profile on the system. Things like their licensing information. So we give notifications and we ping the agents, hey, your license is about to expire. We also ping the managers that, hey, their license is about to expire. And we also have automatic triggers on here where if it does expire, we lock it. So what you saw just now was me sharing my profile with the customer or a potential customer. I can share my profile with them, and then all this information is managed by me. The customers can see all of my details, my licensing information. They can see how long I've been an agent for, how many customers I have, and most importantly, they can actually capture leads on this platform as well. We can actually enhance this even further and completely create online purchasing journey for the agent, essentially becoming a micro direct-to-consumer site for an individual agent too. So for this demo purposes, it's the lead generation where a customer has been interested in this agent, sees what they're selling, likes their profile, gives them a lead. So that's the top part of the funnel, how we help open up that part. And then from there on, you can see the notification come in on the agent portal and manage the leads from there. So here's a lead that I just put in. Would you like to convert the lead into a request for quotation? So we can manage quotation in two ways. We can connect to the insurance company systems and actually provide a live quotation for the product, or we can create a request for quotation for products that require further underwriting. So this is an example of a live quotation, a product that can be quoted on platform right away because we've already integrated with their system. We can integrate by API. We can also integrate with a database dump. So you want to export CSV files into our platform and say these are all the products that we have, then we can do that. But from the agent's perspective, now they get easy, quick access quotations on what they want to sell to their customers right away. And the best part of this is when you're sharing this with your customers, you can quick and pick and choose what you want to share. We can also recommend the products based on the data that we have access to. So for example, this is the best seller because based on your customer's profile, all the other agents that have sold to customers similar like this have bought this particular product, or this is the cheapest product. So now that you have the quotation for myself, I can share this quotation very, very quickly to a customer, making it easy for them to see through any device. Getting rid of that entire, please send me a PDF file, or please send me a link, or please send me an Excel file with the prices or things like that. So I can click share, I get a link. As an agent, I send this to my customer. My customer sees the details of all the products that have been sent to me. They can compare all the products because we normalize everything as well to make sure it's comparable. And quick and easy, can be done on a mobile phone in a few seconds. Customers can even confirm and pay through the platform if they have the APIs integrated through our platform. So this is an example of a customer saying, you know what, I like this quotation. I'm going to go ahead with this quotation, so they can view it and essentially pay now for the quotation as well if they choose to. And this is where we embed the entire online purchasing journey on the platform as well. So this is an example of the payment flow that we've created. Obviously, you want to confirm that the customer is actually the one purchasing. So we've got verification on there with, say, OTP there, and then you fill in all the information and so on and so forth to complete the payment. Fill in the asset details, privacy, data consent, all the fields on the platform that you see here. This is a journey for one of our existing clients. If you had a different journey, or if you had different steps in the process, or different fields, or different requirements, we can customize and configure all of that for you very, very quickly. Our platform is configurable and is white labeled. We adjust things according to what workflows you want. So if you want to say, I want to collect documents before or after, we can do all of those things, not an issue at all. So we try to take care of the entire funnel, all the way from lead management down to being a CRM for the agents as well, being able to see their customers' policy very, very quickly, and being able to share that policy to their customers very, very quickly as well, or even download a file. I've been an agent myself with my previous company. I co-founded a company called Frank in Thailand. We successfully sold that company to Boltec in 2020. So this is my second startup in the insurance industry. So I get it. I know how it feels to be an agent. It's not easy, and the job requires a lot of back and forth. So understanding that journey for myself and my team to build this platform, that's what we've done. So we've got reporting modules, giving access to agents, making them feel that they own the data, making them sure that they have access to everything. They want to download it, they want to export it, they can do so. And again, these are configurable from your end. So as an insurance company, if you say, you know what, Prem, I don't want agents to be able to download anything, then that's fine. We can lock that functionality out because everything is modular based as well. So another module that we have here is a commission module. This is essentially a rule engine. You can create a complex rule engine with a commission, a marketing fee, an incentive fee, or whatever types of fee you want, and tie it to any category or any data set within our system. So we can essentially generate individual commission statements as well as individual commission transactions and put them together in a statement which we issue on a weekly, quarterly, monthly, yearly basis, depending on what you're looking for. Agents can always go in and see their commission details here. They can see what the commission is tied to, what the rules were, as well as how much they're getting paid. So this is an example of a quarterly commission for the agent, etc. This is something that I'm really, really proud of. It's our gamification module. So we try to incentivize and motivate the agents, showing them what tiers that they can earn. And I cherry pick this platform, the functionalities here from like airlines, from hotel industry, the ones that are really good at doing gamification and trying to get you to stay with them. We try to apply the same logic and mindset to the agents because at the end of the day, these are your sales channels. If you cannot motivate them, it's very unlikely that you're going to get any sales coming in. So you got point generation on here. The whole commission and the gamification engine is based on rules. You create whatever rules you want, however you want to. Based on those rules, we can reward the agents with gamification rewards, with point rewards, or with physical rewards. So this is an example of a gamification and a point reward. They have earned this many points. A practical use case for you, very simple. You have umbrellas you want to give to your customers, but you have no way of how to do it. A customer has to buy a certain number of policies or a certain number of premium before they get access to the umbrellas. You can tie it to the games. Agents sell this policy, okay, great, you earned this many points. Once you've earned this many points, you can redeem the umbrella on our platform. Your management and back-end team gets access to a dashboard that says, okay, this agent has redeemed the umbrella, please send it to them. You've got active challenges you can do. You can do ranking-based challenges. So motivate an entire team or the entire company or separately a small group of people within the organization and show them what rewards they get for what. You can do tier-based competition, so earn this at this level, earn this at this level, earn this at this level, and the rewards can be a mix of gamification, points, or physical rewards. And all of this, by the way, can be configured on our back end very, very quickly by your team. You don't have to keep coming back to us. We don't want you to keep coming back to us. It's a self-serve platform. You can take care of it yourself in 5 minutes. You can choose who you want to launch the campaign with, what the campaign wants to be like, the details, the data, etc. You can take care of all of it. You can even export the transactions and statements of it right away. You've got a media module here. So this is essentially where you'd want to share information to your agents, whether it be new products incoming, new team members, or whatever it is. Like, you want to share it. And you get analytics on this. This is the important part. For you to share this with your agents, you get to see which agents have read this, how long they've read it for, how long they've opened it, how long they've clicked on it, because our platform is a web-based platform that is progressive. We've tied it to Google Analytics as well to make sure you get all the details around what the agents are doing on the platform. You got a notification center here where you categorize all the notifications for different things. So earlier, we were able to see that when a lead came in, they got notified for it, when a new quotation was created. And last but not least, you got the help center, which it's actually very, very important because you need to show the agents on how to use the platform and how to train them and things that they need to know. We're actually in the process of enabling this with AI so that agents can just talk to the platform and ask for things as opposed to look for things. Yeah, and that's pretty much what we do at Eazy Digital. Our booth's over there. If you want to have a further conversation with me, feel free to reach out. My name is Prem. Thank you very much.
I think maybe time for one question for Harprem.
Hey, Prem. Yeah, great presentation. So coming back to your slide 7, where you have all the solution stacks and the other the CRM tools and so on, and the ERP tools. So I would guess that a lot of insurances have that already. So it's for them a more, unless there's a digital bank coming new up and et cetera, et cetera. So you come in and, I mean, I understand it's modularly available what you do, but how do you get to these insurances and say, hey, rather use my tech stack than whatever you have in place right now, because there might be something similar what you showed already out there?
That's a great question. I'll give you a practical example for that. So we're working with AXA in Thailand at the moment. They have their own platform that they've built over years, allowing agents to do quotations and payment collection, and that's it. They don't have the resources to further enhance their functionality. So what we do is we apply our modules within their existing system. They just have to give us a space. And then with APIs and a single sign-on, their agents can get access to the gamification module, commission rule engine, and profile pages. And their dev team all has to do is create a page for us and give us that space. So if you look back at the modules, essentially, the way we designed everything, on the left here, you have the menu. On the right there, in the middle, that's where all the meat is. We provide the meat to them, and that's about it. And it's under their brand, under their skin, under their color. And that's with our UI UX. We also have another way of doing it, which we provide all of that back as an API, pure data, and they build UI UX on top.